Welcome. The gospel reading for today is a story that we know very well. The story of the rich man and Lazarus. You can see the first half of that story depicted on the screen. The rich man had everything that he needed. Notice how he looks like he's very healthy. He doesn't miss a meal. And Lazarus is at the table, is below his table, sitting on the ground, and he has one small, tiny morsel that he's going to eat. It's obvious that the rich man thinks that he is better than Lazarus, that he deserves more than Lazarus. And as we know from the reading, when they both died, it was Lazarus who was taken up into the bosom of Abraham, and it was the rich man who suffered. There are times, I'm sure, when all of us have the idea that we're somehow better than others, that if only people would make better choices in their lives, or if people weren't handed everything, if everything wasn't given to them for free, then maybe they would be better off. But we have to keep in mind, in terms of today's gospel reading, that that's not the way God looks at us, and that's not the way that God looks at the poor. In God's eyes, it is the have-nots who come first. That in particular is a theme of the Gospel of Luke, from which this story comes. That in the reign of God, the normalcy of the world is turned on its head. And so it's important for us to try to have that same point of view as God does, that in our eyes, the have-nots should come first, because in the reign of God, they are first. They do count as God's favorites. Thank you again for watching.